Speaker Central.
Let's start with me. I'm Regamba Emmanuel, the District Speaker of Gomba and the General Secretary of Udikosa.
I'm Nakasi Bet Hope, Speaker Mukono District Local Government.
Right, Honorable Ministers, my fellow speakers, Peregrino Senos is my name, Speaker Ruengo District Local Government. You're most welcome.
Thank you so much. Now the Western Uganda. Speakers representative for Western Uganda, come and lead us in that session.
Our esteemed guest of honor, the host and area member of parliament, General Tafire, and your dear wife, our honorable minister for local government, the Secretary General of Uganda Finance Commission, invited guests, the chairperson of Uganda Speakers Association, protocol observed. My name is Gerard Twebaze. I am the Western Region Speaker's representative on Uganda Government Association Executive. I am the District Speaker for Kamwenge District Government. You are most welcome.
Honorable Ministers, my name is Muchungs Douglas, District Speaker Bushem. This is the district that gave birth to this very district.
I acknowledge protocol. My name is Anit Ramanya, Deputy Speaker, Bushem District.
Protocol observed. My name is Tumekwa Moses, the District Speaker, Mitooma District.
The honorable ministers present, Nubanyeta Mwesigwa Jotham King, the Speaker wa District ya Rwampara, kandi nkabani njwekera ba speakers ba region eji aha Uganda Local Governments Association twabachira. You're welcome. I'm called Mwesigwa Jotham King, the District Speaker Rwampara, and I was the representative of Western District Speakers at Urga. You're all welcome to this region. You stay. You will learn that as you go.
Ninachiza Fravia Kanajizi, District Speaker, Kabale, Local Government.
Ronald Ian, Deputy Speaker, Kabale District. Thank you so much.
Tuchirize Nicholas Mujenyi from the 1st District of Ntungamo as a Speaker.
Wanyeta says Mwitware, the Speaker wa District ya Chiruhura. Eyo gwariyo na yegita hongo nowe yokuba.
Nubanyeta na Turindare ya Munene, Deputy Speaker, Kazo District.
I'm Daniel na Hurura District Speaker, Kazo District.
I'm Oscar Kampulira, Rukiiko District Council Speaker.
I'm Bawas Charity, Deputy Speaker, Kazo District.
Asimereho, Deputy Speaker, Ntungamo District.
Asmana Saverno, District Speaker, Buhwejo.
Chompire Jovreti, Deputy Speaker, Buhwejo.
Thank you. Joel Magoba is my name, Speaker for Chegegwa District Local Government and aspiring MP Chaka Central. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. I'm called Baguma James, the District Council Speaker, Chitagwenda District Local Government.
Godwin
Muhumuza Olanya, then Olanya who can speak Runyankore, Speaker Yubanda.
Tumaiwa Eve is my name, Deputy Speaker, Chegegwa District Local Government.
Kahond Hamida, Deputy Speaker, Chenjojo District. You're most welcome.
My name is Kambendo Godfrey, Deputy Speaker, Viris District.
Honorable Ministers, protocol observed. Katesuga Stephen is my name. District Speaker, District Local Government Council.
Thank you so